I love my job. Look. I love my job. Comment below who else loves their job. So I'm out here, as you can see. Let me turn the camera around for you. Whoa. Whoa. That building too. That building too. That garage too. That was already there. But 11 buildings. We spend most of the day walking from building to building. The other half doing work at those buildings. I love my job. I'm gonna have to stop these guys and ask them their name and write it down. This is the life of a construction worker on a big ass giant job site. Yes, I'm a carpenter. Yes, I can swing the hell out of a hammer. Yes, I can get nails in about 2-3 hits. Big ones. Yes, I get paid pretty decent money. Yes, this is what I'm doing right now. I might have to stop this guy over here. Look at him. Look at how slow he's walking. I love my job. Anyway, subscribe. Hit the like button. If you wanna come out here and do what I'm doing, making $50 an hour, hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't. I need subscribers. I really don't have much subscribers. I've been doing YouTube for like 1.5 years already. Please hit the subscribe button. Alright, I just had to relieve another security guard for another 30 minutes while he's on lunch. Don't know when he'll be back. As you can see here, this is a completely different site than before. And again, I love my job. Now, you can see in front of me, there's these tractors, those bathrooms, and all that. Yes, I am supposed to be beating nails with a hammer, but what can I say? I love my job. So, here I am. I'm not going to argue with no boss telling me what to do. So, here I am, right here. Oop. There you go. A guy on a forklift. Yes, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, this is construction. And I do love my job. Now let's see, am I going to have to sign this guy in? Oh, no, that guy's going to the next gate. That guy's going to the next gate. There we go. Look at that stuff right there. Oh, boy. Oh boy. Oh, they're coming. And there he comes. That is construction, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Carpenter, let's see what he's gonna do with that little shovel right there. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah. Smash and subscribe. Hit the like button if this is what you guys want to do every day for $50 an hour. Now I gotta make sure these things don't kill me. And I gotta make it through all that traffic, that construction site traffic over there. Those are look
way more dangerous when that forklift was over here, about to smash me.